Hi, my name is Amit Chaudhary. This video is about how to install ASP.NET vNext on Windows 7 operating system. The steps are valid to all Windows operating system above Windows 7 version. Also, we'll see how to host and start an application of ASP.NET vNext without using IIS. To start with, I'm going to launch the Windows PowerShell. Let's launch it. Now I'm going to change the font of this Windows a little bit bigger so that commands are clearly visible. Let's take 18. Now I'm going to write the PowerShell command that will download the K-Version Manager and K-Runtime on the machine. So this is not clearly the visual installation that we do for .NET. This is actually we are just downloading the package and it will be configured to be used from anywhere. This is the location from where the content will be downloaded. This is raw.gituserscontent.com asp.net/home and master. Then we have kvm installed or ps1. This ps1 is actually the PowerShell script file which will do the work for us. Press enter and as you can see it's getting downloaded and the ps1 and the cmd file is doing their own work. So now we have kvm installed, so let's check it. Yes, kvm is available and configured with the environment variable of Windows operating system. Now launch the command kvm upgrade. It will check if there is a new version available, then command will download and upgrade the kvm. Now let's check if the K-Runtime is configured and available. Yes, it is working fine. The K-Version Manager and K-Runtime configuration is finished. The machine is now ready to have a hands-on with ASP.NET vNext configuration and hosting the application with the new .NET vNext. I will navigate to the documents directory to download the ASP.NET vNext starter sample from GitHub. It is not accessible from PowerShell right now, so let's get out from here and let's launch the command prompt. Okay, it's not available from command prompt as it might not have been configured with the environment variable. So let's open up the bash console, which is the git bash. Should be here. Yes, it's right here. Git bash. This is something like we have the console of Linux. Most of the commands are similar. We'll check the location of current directory before I clone the GitHub samples. Okay, so dir not working here. So ls command is working. So now I am in the users directory, so I'll move to documents. Now we can fire up the command git clone and the location of ASP.NET home samples, which is our vNext starter application. So it's cloning and downloading the home onto our local system. So you can see we have the home here, the last directory. So I will navigate to the home, then samples. So we have some items here and a sample directory. So we'll navigate to the samples. And we have three applications here: console app, hello MVC and hello web. So I'm going to navigate to hello web. Let's see what we have here. So as you can see, we have only 3 files, no CS pros, nothing. So I'll just fire up the command kpm restore. So kpm is not working from the git bash, so here we have to launch our console again, the Windows command prompt. Let's check K is available here. Yes, it's available. Now I'm just going to navigate to the same directory where we have downloaded the GitHub samples. And we are navigating to the same folder, which is hello web. Yes, we have the files ready. So now I'm going to launch the kpm restore command, which will restore all the NuGet packages which are required to run this application, and it also includes the .NET Core to be downloaded as a NuGet package. So I have also tried the kpm build, so there is no error, no warning. So now I can fire up the command kweb, and if it says started, then your application is already hosted in the K-Runtime. So let's open the browser, and default port for Windows, it will be hosted on localhost and 5001, and there it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you and goodbye.